In this video, we will demonstrate how to replace the stand. Before removing the stand, read through the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the Inspiron 5400, 5401, or 7700 service manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, ensure that you turn off your computer and disconnect all attached peripherals. Caution: when servicing the computer, place it on an elevated, clean, and flat surface. Place the display flat on the surface with the stand hanging over the edge. To remove the back cover, place your palm in the middle of the back cover, then pry the back cover from the display assembly base, starting from the top corners. Remove the back cover from the display assembly base. To remove the bottom cover, remove the 5 screws that secure the bottom cover to the display assembly base. Lift the bottom cover off the display assembly base. Now, let's remove the stand. In the reverse sequential order indicated on the stand, remove the 8 screws that secure the stand to the display assembly base. Remove the stand from the slots on the display assembly base and lift the stand off the display assembly base. You have successfully removed the stand. Now, let's install the stand. Align the screw holes on the stand with the screw holes on the display assembly base and slide the stand onto the base. In the sequential order indicated on the stand, replace the 8 screws that secure the stand to the display assembly base. Once the stand is installed, install the bottom cover and back cover back to the computer. To install the bottom cover, align the screw holes on the bottom cover with the screw holes on the display assembly base, and snap the bottom cover back into place. Replace the 5 screws that secure the bottom cover to the display assembly base. To install the back cover, align the slots on the back cover with the slots on the computer, and press along the sides to snap the back cover into place. The stand installation process is now complete. For more information, see the service manual document at dell.com/support.